Get noticed in this 2006 BMW 3 Series. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission, premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. The sunroof lets fresh air in. Know the history on this ride and greatly reduce your buying risk with the included Carfax Vehicle History Report. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, and AM/FM stereo. Call today to schedule a test drive.